This is an RFID tag. It's self-adhesive, super thin. Put it underneath the wrap. I always put it in line with my logo right above the wrap, but after the wrap goes over it, you can't tell it's there. And what you can do is write a message to it with your phone. I write a message showing a serial number, completion date. When you scan it with your phone, it'll pop up and show you all that information. It's a good way to identify a cue, especially if it was to get stolen. You can always go back and pull a serial number on it. We've had a stolen cue here before, and at a pawn shop, they said it would have to have some kind of serial number to be able to track it. Another thing I started doing is I keep a spreadsheet, a serial number, each cue, completion date, type of wood it was built, just a description of everything about that particular cue. All this information gets stored, written right to this tag. I use a software called NFC Tools to read and write to it. But once you write to it, any phone with an RFID reader can pull it right up. It's almost like having a thumb drive built into your cue with all that information. Thought it was a pretty slick little way of doing it. Hadn't really seen anybody doing it just yet. I figured I'd share it with you guys. Key's finished and wrapped. Now all you have to do is get your phone over the spot. Boom, pops it right up. Click on it. There you go.